This is instruction how to disassemble this sofa purchased from the Costco. It's a Gilman Creek alpendale sofa. It's a recliner, two recliners, and the center one is a fixed, and it is a 41 by 41 inches and 80 inches long. And there is no way I can take this sofa to the basement through the stairs, and I had to disassemble that. It stays in my garage for about 8-9 months. Finally it's the summer, and we tried a couple times, wasn't successful, but finally found the instruction somewhere in the Costco under different item, and find out there is a latches that you need to just pull it up. So in the center you just need to pull this up with little bit of pressure, and that's it. You don't have to press anything, but don't pull up too much, just a feet or two, because there is an attachment cable that you need to carefully detach from the top portion, which is this one here, and the top one has another one. So that's how you can do this, and hopefully you guys can get this video going to be helpful for you, because I waited like 8-9 months already. This is in my garage. Now the center seat to go, and then we will able to just take the sofa to the basement through the stairwell.